Hi, Kelvin here, and in this video, I'll show you what content slots are and how to add them into your metaverse space. I'm going to be doing it in a model I got from Sketchfab called Abandoned Warehouse by Arson. So once I've got my model in and I'm happy with it and its sizing and position and stuff, I want some content slots around. So I open up my editor, add, and choose a content slot. There it's pulling in my content. And with my content slot selected and the surface movement tool, I'm just going to choose where I want it. And since it seems a bit small from this distance and where people will be walking, I'm going to need to scale it up. So here I can scale it up, and as you can see, it does a nice fitting maneuver. So depending on how I'd like my content to be displayed or what content is there, it will fit appropriately. So I'm going to set it up to be roughly this size, and then I would prefer the position to be about there, and I'm just going to use the movement tool to get it down on its Y. And since I'm happy with this size, I'm going to use the duplicate button to create another one of it. And then I'm going to just go into the surface movement tool, grab the object, choose the surface that I want it to be on, and see if I'm happy with its position. And I'm pretty content, so I'll save that one as well. And now the content slot modifier here, I can select what content that I want it to show. So I'm going to choose one of the other pictures. Let's go here and say that one seems to be a text one. Then I'm just going to add another one. I like this one, but I think if I'm coming in, I'd like it to be on the right. So I just want to make sure I have it selected, then surface tool, scale it up again to the size that I want. I'm going to move it with the movement tool. It's clipping through the surface there a bit, so I'm just going to bring it forwards. There we go. Now, when users click on it, there's different modes that they would be able to see the content. So if I would like to adjust that, I come in here and I say open in panel or open in browser pop-up, same tab, new tab, or in sidebar. So I have it set on sidebar, looks like this. If I have it in a new tab, it will open a brand new tab. If I have it on same tab, it will redirect me. And I'm going to say cancel. Browser pop-up. This will be a pop-up window. And those are the different formats. And of course, I can select content, choose which one it's going to be, and have it like that. And now if I export this as a template and somebody else loads it, so I just have to go save backup. And then if they loaded it as a backup, it will come in with the same setup. In the same category as content slots, I would also like to show you the logo slot. So just as the content slots pull the information from your website, the logo slot will also pull that information from your website. I'm going to scale it up here. Raise it a bit and bring it forward. And there we go. Got the logo in there. And I want it on this side as well. So I can choose to duplicate it. Use the surface tool. Put it here. I know it's the same size because I've duplicated it. Then I'm just going to bring it forward, make sure it's ahead of all the meshes. So that's how you can add content slots into your metaverse space, as well as logo slots so that you can have your logo in your metaverse space. Thank you for watching.